Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about what is soft keywords in Python. So in earlier videos I explained the normal keywords, the main keywords in Python. So there are 35 keywords, but if we talk about soft keywords, it's not much familiar. uh, you will hardly heard them, but still you should know about them. So in case someone asks these kind of soft keywords related questions, so you can give answers easily. So first we will see the definition. Some identifiers are only reserved under specific context. These are known as soft keywords. So the identifiers match, case and underscore can syntactically act as keywords in context related to the pattern matching statements. So we use these three keywords in pattern matching statement. So that's why we kept it separately. The Python kept them separately because their purpose is different little bit as compared to normal keywords. The only difference is you can use soft keyword names in identifiers too. So in normal keywords you cannot use as an identifiers your keywords, but here we can use as an identifier. That's why we call it soft, right? So we can say they were hard keywords, these are soft keywords. So in general people use this name to differentiate both kind of keywords. So you cannot use if is equal to 3, it will give you a syntax error, but you can use match in a structure pattern matching and as a variable like this match is equal to re dot match. All right, so structure pattern, in case of structure pattern we use these keywords, and you must know, because in interviews somebody can ask case, match, underscore, what's the use of them and are they keywords or not, so you must know about them. All right, so how you can check that, if you want to make sure, so you can easily check is soft keywords. So let's see in the Python, I will explain, that would be great for you. So first you have to import keyword, right? Then what you can do, you can just is soft keyword this one and keyword dot. So is keyword we use, but here we use is soft keyword. For hard keywords we generally use is keywords function, but here we will use is soft keyword. And here case, and run this and you can see 2. And if you want to see the list, keyword dot kw list, but here we have to use soft kw list. So here you can see there are only 3 keywords. And if you want to use want to see the length, similarly we did in previously, so here you can see. So hope this, it's a very easy topic but very important, because nobody will explain you soft keywords, because everyone explain always hard keywords and keyword list, but this is new and it will help you to get good score in interview questions. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you need more help you can ask me questions in comments. Thank you.